telescopic vision. We humans might need binoculars to see a small rabbit. However, an eagle can spot a rabbit from over 3 kilometers away. Their eyes have more light detecting cells, giving them telescopic vision that is almost supernatural. Mid-air mating. Eagles don't just date, they perform death-defying aerial ballets. They lock talons mid-air and spiral downward, only separating at the last second. It is actually a talk about a trust fall, built-in GPS. No Google Maps needed. Eagles can sense Earth's magnetic field to navigate during migration. Scientists believe that they have tiny iron particles in their beaks that act like a compass and give them direction. The rebirth process. When eagles grow weak, they isolate themselves, pluck out their old feathers, and regrow new ones. This painful but necessary process gives them a new, second life. Deadly talons. An eagle's talons are nature's perfect killing tools, exerting over 1,000 psi of pressure that is strong enough to crush a human hand instantly.